Hello children, today let's do a honeybee drawing flying over a farm of flowers. So let's start. First of all, we need to start from the head, and for that we need to draw a circle. If you're not able to draw the circle perfectly freehand, you can use some cap of any bottle or a bangle or something to trace it out. Next, we need to do body in an oval shape. So this is an oval. Two wings. If you want, you can just trace it using your finger like this. Or if you want, you can do it freehand, as it's not very difficult to draw. One tail. Now let's do the eyes. One circle, one more circle, two small circles inside, and one big smiley. Let's do the antennas now. So children, here our honeybee drawing is almost ready. Now here we will just erase out this part of the oval as we don't need it. We will just draw some stripes, as we know it's there on the body of honeybees. So the honeybee is ready. Now let's just draw few clouds in the background. We have to use scallop lines, which is cloudy lines also we can say. So some random clouds we will draw around. This is a close-up drawing, so the sky is visible in the background. Now we will draw the flowers, farm of flowers in this part of the drawing. So let's start. In very easy steps we can do this. We just have to draw a shape like a droplet like this, and then we need to just draw some petals in the side, the stem and the leaves. Different sizes we can draw here. Some bigger and smaller sizes I'm drawing. So this drawing is almost complete now. Let's trace this using a black marker. The antennas will be black, so I'm just coloring this black with the marker itself. Let's go slow and trace it exactly on top of our drawing like this. Eyes also, it will be black, so I'm just coloring this black, and this smaller circle will leave it white. Let's trace the flowers as well. So here this tracing is complete now. Let's just trace this part, as these stripes are supposed to be black. So we'll just do it with marker itself. Alternately we are supposed to do. Now let's start coloring. I'm using pencil colors to color. If you want to use any other medium, you can use other medium also. So first of all, I'm grabbing a blue color. Here in the background, we will do it a bit designer, like a bit abstract. We will do, instead of just filling it up completely in blue color, we will make it a bit boring. So we will make it a bit more designer. Let's start doing that. So we just need to add some spiral lines and some wavy lines to fill up this space. So this way we fill the space also, and we don't need to fill with shading everywhere, and it also adds some beauty to our art. So like this, randomly, we don't need to copy, but randomly we can just add some lines everywhere around. Some loopy lines also we can add. In our initial stage of learning art, we must learn more and more about different kind of lines, because lines is one of the elements of art and it's used almost everywhere in making any kind of art. Some wavy lines and some loop lines. This is abstract, but it somewhere indicates the breeze and the sky. In an abstract way, we can do it this way. So don't try to do it exactly same. You can just follow this pattern and do it according to your wish. So here the sky is done. Now let's move to clouds. Again we have to use the same color. So near the edges, near the outlines, I'll just color it darker, and moving towards the center, I'll just make it lighter. So we can see some volume in our cloud. Similarly, let's color all the clouds, decreasing the pressure as going towards the middle portion. So here you can see I'm decreasing my pressure of my pencil. I'm doing it lightly towards the middle portion. If you're a newbie, you can even color it completely, fully, directly. You can just do the shading if you're finding it difficult to do. If you're finding it difficult to get this gradation, you can do it directly, fill the colors as well. So here the clouds are done. One more is left here, so let's just do this one also. Now let's move to the honeybee. For the face we have to use bright yellow. So let's start. First of all, children, we will do a border just inside the outline of the head, so that our strokes will not go out of this space and will color inside freely. Now the border is done. Let's color inside. Let's make sure we are not leaving any white space, so no white space of the paper is visible here. And I'm using same kind of strokes everywhere. Now these portions also will color in yellow. Now let's color wings in another shade of blue. It's kind of bit greenish also. So we'll just use that here. Let's do it lightly as the wings are mostly transparent. Also, if we wish, using a black marker, we can just draw some kind of net on the wings. It's not necessary to do this though, but if we want, we can do it. We can just add it. One more cloud is left here. We'll just do that as well. Now let's move to the flowers coloring. We will be using these bright colors for flowers. This is fluorescent pink, orange, dark pink, red, fluorescent orange and yellow. In our packet of 48 colors, mostly the brightest colors are called fluorescent colors. So let's start coloring the flowers. Let's keep all the pencils sharpened and then let's start coloring. So I have sharpened all my pencils. Now let's start coloring. Starting the first one with fluorescent orange. Here again near the edges I am doing it dark, and towards the center I'll just make it lighter. I'll decrease pressure of the pencil, and so we can see there will be some volume. In the backwards petals we just need to fill the colors. Let's do stem and leaves. Let's do next one in dark pink. Next in orange. You can randomly choose the colors. Let's do all the flowers in one go, and then we can do the leaves and the stems. We can use 2 shades of green for this. Let's just erase if there is any extra lines visible of our pencil. places we can just add some grasses like this. Simple strokes we can add, where we are just making it like a flying strokes. You can see it's simple. I'm starting from here and then I'm just making it fly upwards and I'm just leaving it outside. So it's looking like some grasses. You can try. We are starting with pressure and then I'm just releasing the pressure coming upwards. So it's just simply we are doing it some straight and some bent sideways. So this is like this. So children, here the honeybee drawing is complete, where a honeybee is flying over flowers and there is clouds and some abstract background. I hope you have enjoyed doing this colorful drawing with me. You can try same drawing, same pattern drawing in some variations, like instead of the honeybee you can try with some bird or some butterfly or dragonfly. So it will be fun if you can just try them as well. Stay connected for more art videos. Till then, bye bye and thank you.